Perfect. Thank you. All right, parents, summer is closer than you know it, and making it a perfect time to sign up your kids for summer camp, because some of these camps get full and you try to do this at the last minute. They don't have a spot. You girls are so giggly today. Look at them. Dr. Debbie Kelv is here to tell us more about the Sally Ride Science Junior Academy Summer Workshops. Good morning. Welcome back.
Thank you so much.
They're having too much fun.
Yeah.
Way too much fun. Okay, let's talk about this camp. For any parents who are watching, yes, this is the time that you want to get the kiddos signed up. Who exactly is this camp for?
So it's for middle school and high school students.
Okay.
Today we're focusing on the middle schoolers, but there's high school classes as well. And the high school classes, some are 2-week or 4-week intensives, and you can earn pre-college credit.
Okay, what exactly do they do? Because there looks like I see slime, I see a slinky. What kind of stuff happens?
So we have all kinds of different things. We have tech things where you have app design, virtual reality, drone programming. The girls can maybe tell you a little bit about what their favorite class is.
Okay, let me come over here. Let me walk over. Good morning. How are you?
Good. How
What's
are
your
you?
name?
My name is Sienna.
How old are you?
I'm 11.
Okay, you take the camp.
Yeah.
What's your favorite class?
My favorite class is Science of Science Fiction
Why?
because it's so fun to just write about science fiction. I really like Stranger Things, so I just like write science fiction, and it's just so fun to like write. Writing is like my favorite subject. It's so fun.
Okay, and what do you keep squishing over there? What is that?
It's phloem. It's
What-
slime. It's phloem.
It's called phloem?
Phloem,
What is
yeah.
phloem?
It's like slime with these little tiny beads.
Yeah.
It's so
Okay.
fun to play with.
I touched it in commercial break. Can I touch it again?
Yeah.
Because
Yes, you can.
I know this is like the thing that's in, and like not like the, can I touch yours?
Yes. It's like
Oh, that's such a weird feeling.
you need to get used to it.
Yeah, you have to get used to it.
Okay, so then what's your name?
My name is Julia.
Julia, what's your favorite class?
My favorite class is the messy science
Ooh.
and that's basically just slime.
That's basically Do you offer any classes for like on camera like personalities like this one? They're just so excited. They're so excited. Okay, so how for the high school students, how do they get college credit? How does that work?
So if you sign up for one of the intensives,
Okay.
then you can automatically sign up for the college prep credit,
Okay.
which will then follow you with your records.
Okay, now I know that there's parents who are asking, can they afford this? How much is it? Where is it? Give us all that information.
So there's an early bird discount.
Okay.
That if you sign up now, it's only $150. After April 2nd, it'll go up to $175
That's
for the week-long classes.
week-long class, okay.
And then check the website for the other longer classes. It depends what you sign up for.
And then do you
We
offer
also offer scholarships. So last year we
good.
offered
Okay.
46% of our students scholarships.
46%?
So it's huge.
Okay.
So if you think you can't afford it, jump in, apply for our scholarships. We want you here with us.
Okay, grab a paper and pen, put down the cereal, your cup of coffee. Let me get you the information. The Sally Ride Science Junior Academy, June 25th through July 20th is at Mission Bay High School, and students entering is for the 6th graders to the 12th graders, and you have an early bird discount until April 2nd. Because you probably just kept drinking your coffee and you didn't write that down, we're going to get that information for you on our website, FOX5sanDiego.com. Click the Scene on tab as we send it back. Okay, I'm going to get out of the way because I see some slinky action that's about to happen here. Slime and slinkies.
So we're going to demonstrate music of earthquakes.
Okay.
Earthquake has 3 seismic phases.
Yes.
Julia is going to be ducting Mother Earth. So
Okay.
earthquake. And
Earthquake.
the first phase is a P wave. Who's the earthquake and who's the seismic station?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. P wave. Next one's S
Whoa.
wave. Back forth. And next one is surface wave. Craziness. Alrighty, and release. And now Julia's going to conduct us on our seismic dancing. So everybody sign up behind here. So I am the P wave. What are you? S wave, and you are?
Surface wave.
All right, so when you're ready.
Wave.
P wave. Back forth, back forth, back forth.
And something wave because
Aftershock,
I
here comes
had
the
to.
aftershock.
I'm the aftershock, Raul. You like that? I'm your aftershock.